Hello, and happy demo day. My project is called BeWell. This web app helps people in the Twin Cities find Black therapists. This is a Flask web app in which I used Python on the backend with a PostgreSQL database. I actually really love my home page. I wrote a jQuery script to make my image stretch across the screen. I made this style choice because I think it is really pleasing to the eye. The dark overlay allows the text to show up better and lets the user avoid looking at a bright white screen, which can be jarring. On my website, a user can browse a list of Black therapists in the Twin Cities area. But first, you have to be logged in order to bookmark therapists. So let's go ahead and create an account. Users create an account with an email and a password, which gets stored in my database. And when they are finished, the user will see a flash message that says their account is successfully created. Now, as for the list, I used Beautiful Soup to scrape Psychology Today and exported my therapist data into a JSON file. I generated this list by using a Jinja loop in my HTML template. I used JavaScript, HTML, and Bootstrap on the front end. Bootstrap was especially great for laying out this page and adding colorful buttons. I wrote an AJAX call so that when a user clicks the bookmark button, they can save that therapist to their user profile, which updates to include the bookmark therapist. Now, when a logged in user bookmarks something, they should be able to see it on their profile. So let's log in and check it out. And there it is, awesome. I also coded a map using Google Maps API. The map included drop pins for the therapist locations. When you click on a drop pin, an info window with more details about the therapist pop up. The markers and info window were created with JavaScript. The locations were pulled from the JSON file I exported when web scraping. So there it is. Here is my final project. Thank you all for listening today.